It took almost 3 to 4 hours to give so many details. It might look a kind of regular, but no, there are a lot of minute details. See, if you could see, there is a sheet, and again on that, the desks are placed, again, the holders, and here also a lot of tiny, tiny details are there. Here also, if you could see the cattle farm, again the borders, again the waters, and to prepare this stand. So there are a lot of tiny details involved. So it took almost 4 hours. All these characters are also formed with a foam sheet. Here you could see another character, and even this character. So I made a desk kind of in the lab, and this is a plastic box. I have used it as a bioreactor, and the other side of the wall I just made this test tubes so that it reflects like a lab. And here is again a kind of theater room. So for this again I have used the yellow paper. It's a different material which is like a glossy. And here I have used the green color chart and the brown color, and this is again a white color different sheet. So for this also I have used the glossy sheet for the cattle farm. So this is the project about food tech, and we are taking lab grown meat as the main concept in the food tech. For this we need a very big foam sheet, and we took 3 layers of it so that it could withstand the weight. And then we have the cattle farm where you could see a lot of grasses there. It reflects that there is a lot of resources used to raise animals like water, grass, land, shelter. So all these resources are required, and there is a lot of waste also generated, which will lead to landfills. And at the same time, when it's like selling the meat is like hurting the animals. So once we get habituated to the food tech, which means growing the meat in the lab itself, how is that possible? We take the stem cells of the animals, and then with the plant-based protein in the bioreactor, the meat tissue is formed, and then it is processed in a liquid form. Later it gets dries, and you can mold it in any shape.